We cooking up some chicken salad. Yes, Lord, I got me some chicken thighs. I'm putting olive oil on them, rubbing them babies up with some salt, some black pepper, and some Cajun seasoning, along with some onion powder and some garlic powder. Then I have Spain spicy seasoning and their garlic and herb seasoning. And I'm putting these babies right here on the grill. I want to cook them until they're 165 degrees internal. And whatever you do, use your favorite barbecue sauce for this right here. Trust and believe me, you're gonna love this here chicken salad. Get you some iceberg lettuce, some tomatoes, cucumbers, some bits of bacon. Throw in some trail mix, Santa Fe that is, and throw in some of this here mixed cheese, and get you some garlic croutons. Place your chicken right on top of that salad, and don't forget your Chipotle ranch dressing. And look here, y'all, the best chicken salad you will ever have. Check out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill on YouTube for the full recipe.